Precious Skin is our ultimate skin hero gift set. For the person in your life or yourself that is obsessed with skin, this has you covered. It features 2 brand new products and our much beloved CloudCream full size ceramide moisturizer. It is only €45 or £40, and let me tell you, this baby is worth €79 or £68, so there is an insane amount of saving as well as loads of new treats. So inside we get our brand new lip treat, brand new full-size Hydra Body body moisturizer, and our full-size and much loved CloudCream ceramide moisturizer. Starting with Hydra Body, this is our moisturizing body cream. It smells delicious, it delivers intense hydration, it's fast absorbing, it's non-greasy. It is a joy to put on the skin, and let me tell you, it's been one of my favorite additions to my body routine this year. Some of you may have seen me tease this already during the year. This is Lip Treat. This literally got me through my Roaccutane and my dry lips. It's an intensive, hydrating lip balm. So think about our beauty balm on steroids. You pop it on day and night and it will deliver the most gorgeous, nourished lips. And of course, CloudCream, our ceramide moisturizer. Apply this day and night. This is packed with ceramides that repair the skin barrier. It's like a hug for the skin. It is gorgeous on. And there we have it. That is Precious Skin, the ultimate skin collection for the skin obsessed in your life, or maybe you are too. 2 brand new products, 1 absolute loved, and like I said, only €45 or £40.